Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to change weather units on iPhone. To do that is really simple. You have just to go to the weather app, and after that you have to click on the icon on the bottom right of the screen. After that you have to click on the three dots on the top right of the screen. After that, as you can see, you have here Celsius and Fahrenheit, and you can choose like the unit that you want, or you have to click on units here and you can change everything like the wind if you want it kilometer or miles or meters per second or other things, and also the like rain, the pressure, and the distance. That's it. After that, you have just to confirm. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.